Hold on. Sipping on that act. I'ma bring it right back. You feel me? Now look, bro. I'm currently at Walmart right now. It's like 7 o'clock. You get what I'm saying? And I know y'all thinking like, bro, why you at Walmart at 7 o'clock in the morning? You get what I'm saying? Well, I really just got off work. You feel me? I sick and I had to pull up, you know what I'm saying, with my dog, and she wanted to get some stuff for Walmart, you know what I'm saying? Cause she was procrastinating. Let me see where she at. Check me out. So, you know what I'm saying? She had to get a few things, you know, that's me right here. You know what I'm saying? Can't go wrong with that. But yeah, she right here, bro. So, tell the people what's your name and everything, so they know. This is my vlog. What you talking about? She a little shy right now, y'all boys. But this got nothing to do with today's vlog. But I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm in Walmart at 7 o'clock in the morning. So look, bro, I done made it back to the crib and everything like that. And you know what I'm saying? I had got some cereal. You feel me? Cause right now my dog Louie, he's asleep right now, you feel me? Cause we finna go out and hang out for that boy birthday, you know what I'm saying? His birthday was like yesterday, so we finna hang out today. And you know what I'm saying, have some fun, do whatever he wanna do for his birthday today. But look, you know what I'm saying, I did get some OG, you know what I'm saying? Don't mind the background or anything like that, cause I don't drink that. I don't know what them boys on, you know what I'm saying? But look though, I got this and this. I already tried this though. I already know how this hit. You see me, you know what I'm saying? It's already open because I'm finna bust down on this right here. But let me know if y'all tried this before. I just got it because, you know what I'm saying, we like to try new things. We just be grabbing stuff just to see if we wanted it, you know what I'm saying, things like that. Because at my mama crib, you feel me, I can't really do that. You know what I'm saying? She don't really be on to trying something new. You get what I'm saying? But I did grab this right here. And I want to try it, you know what I'm saying, blueberry and syrup. It might sound crazy, but I feel like it might be good because I do love blueberries, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you. You know what I'm saying? I got the blueberry muffins. Like I say, I love blueberries, you know what I'm saying? But I do love blueberries, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, but y'all let me know if y'all try this down in the comment section. Not like what kind of food still.
Oh shit. Shit, I was thinking shit, just Chick-fil-A or something. Some chill shit. Damn. I ain't got my keys either to get my wallet out my car.
Right now you said we finna go to Chick-fil-A.
Let's grab some food.
I don't really eat at Chick-fil-A, but we can go to that bed. Might give me some grilled nuggets or something like that. You know what I'm saying?
What's wrong with Chick-fil-A?
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with Chick-fil-A. I'm just saying I don't eat at that bed like that.
Don't you know you want a big ass chicken sandwich? Shit.
I don't eat chicken sandwiches at Chick-fil-A, nigga. You know what I'm saying, bro?
What you eat from there?
I'll eat the
nuggets?
Yeah, I eat them. You feel me? The tenders.
Zaxby's out here. I love that for y'all. We do not have a Zaxby's.
For real?
Bro, they holding the door open with the shoe, bro. Not the one. They're holding the door open with the shoe, bro. But yeah, bro.
We better win tonight.
When were Miami Dolphins?
Yeah, Jacksonville.
Oh, tell you that.
Jaguars.
I haven't been following football, so I don't really know. But say what's up to the vlog, though, you know what I'm saying?
What's up?
It's the vlog right here.
It's been a long time.
It has been a long time. You know what I'm saying? It's that boy birthday.
Slap that nigga.
Nigga, that's one of the licks, nigga. It's my birthday lick, nigga.
How old you now?
He 40. He the oldest nigga in the crib.
24? Oh my god, that age sound almost serious.
You 24?
I know, you 24. You 24. Nah, I'm 20. I just turned 23. Oh shit.
You know. Shit was. So look, we at Lennox. My bad. We at Lennox Mall right now. You feel me? We got the little Chick-fil-A.
I'm saying a little Chick-fil-A motherfucker.
You know, the
He
Polynesian.
can't
on
even
the
open
fries. He's struggling to open it.
Looking at
That boy's struggling to open some sauce, but you know what I'm saying? You know, we chilling right now. But yeah, I got the 3 count. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, after we get done with this, I don't know what we're doing next, but y'all boys made it this far in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, this bitch finna bust. I'm already know. What you gotta say, bro? What this man gotta say, bro?
some niggas understand and some niggas don't. It's been a minute.
Yeah, I ain't never shoot. I ain't never shoot. You know, it's straight though. We at the gun range. I know it sounds too crazy. How you feeling, bitch? Excuse me.
I don't know how to shoot.
Shit, it's straight. You know what I'm saying? Get right there.
All right, who wants to go first? It'll be real quick. After I watch you all shoot 5 rounds, it should be good. All right. Are you shooting again?
We get it there, Lou.
That's all right. Good, that's perfect. So no space anywhere, that's perfect. When you fire, when you fire, it's gonna go bang. Stronger, please. This hand should be wrapped around here. Yeah, I shouldn't be able to stick my finger in there. Close though. Close. Good. Just hold it straight. Fire goes bang. As long as you don't flinch like that when you're shooting, you won't miss. Alright. So don't push the gun down when you fire, because that's exactly what you're gonna do if you're new to shooting. Alright?
The fuck is he shooting? That nigga shoot rocket launcher,
Alright.
what?
Put your right hand.
That boy going crazy.
Keep your point down right. Magazine in. Good. You should be able to use this stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, go straight down. You know, change that first round. Same grip.
Let me get that boy.
Use the thumbs up. Them thumbs up. Let them relax. The side's not gonna hurt you. That's a perfect grip. Now you can shoot.
Get right.
Hold on.
You got it?
I got you.
Get right. Hold on to that.
This hand right here is really your support hand. It's just squeezing.
Hit that bit, Lou.
Hold on to that bit, bro.
Oh, right.
Like this here, yeah?
Got it. Line your dots up. You're getting silly, man. It's way too high. Line your dots up.
Which dots?
Hey,
3 dots on the top. You
Hey,
ain't never
hey,
played
that shit
like
straight.
Call of Duty or something?
Yeah.
Never seen? Right there. You should know how it look.
Shit.
There you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, you on target. Yeah, you on target. There we go.
You missing everything,
Stop
nigga.
playing there.
Click it.
Yeah. I say Call of Duty, that was it. I got it.
Yeah. You missed every shot, bro.
Nah,
Bro, he hit all of them.
I know, I'm fucking with it. I'm
you
fucking
know what I'm saying? You know me. You feel me? You know me.
Oh, let me zoom in on what he hit. That boy on the left.
Left target.
Yes, sir.
Hit that middle target. Good. Almost.
Hit the target. How you gonna save me, babe?
Catch the bag. When you pull the trigger, just don't pull like this.
Do the top left.
Shoot the fuck out of that nigga, boy. Sit down. Hey, what? Hey, sit God damn.
And then I.
It keep going.
Yeah,
God damn, nigga. That bitch say. Well, this accurate too, boy. Shit.
I get it.
Alright, let me see that bit. Damn, nigga. I only shot it 3 times. I'm shooting that hoe though? You gotta stand firm, yeah.
This is our regular day. Alabama.
So like you don't want it to beat 23 days.
Hey, look, we do not promote violence, you know what I'm saying? But we just having a little fun. That's all that is.
I'm glad y'all know already. About to turn around.
How I do this shit? She said, how I do that shit, turn it over. I'm gonna drink at all the memories.
Hey, look. My favorite candy
hot
right
sauce
now.
put in his mouth.
Favorite candy right now.
Yes, sir. I just got done shooting them big bitches.
That's fine.
You know what I'm saying? I did what I said I was gonna do in that too.
What you
Ran
said,
nigga down.
Bro. So yeah, we finna I don't know what we finna do, but
Hazel, what you got in mind? It's your first time in Atlanta, man.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all supposed to show me around.
club.
Look at that. Like, what's the idea? Like Atlanta, I want to do this when I go there. She don't know. You don't know?
I don't. I mean, the only thing I really wanted to do was
Strip
go
club.
to that happy hour shit and
Come
check
on.
that shit out.
Oh, I forgot the Magic City shit.
What time is that?
I mean, it's open till 3 in the morning. I think it said.
With the happy hour.
Oh, with the happy hour, I don't know because they don't post nothing on their shit.
Okay.
So I don't know like how that
I mean,
works.
if y'all want, if you want.
Do we gotta pay to get in that bit?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, you gotta pay. Tell me, it's Magic City.
Last time I went to that bit was $100. I was like, hell,
You gotta pay to get in the strip club.
He still got plenty of time before he got to do that bit.
Yeah, fast.
11, right?
No, I go that bit at 9.
I got 7, 8, 2 hours now. Go in there and do nothing but figure. You know, take it sleep.
What you finna put this on YouTube?
Yeah, it's going on my YouTube channel.
Follow me on the gram at Golden Barbie. No E, 2 I's.
Cause she don't know how to spell.
No, the one with the E was taken.
She don't know how to spell. But yeah, we had a fantastic day. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, this is my favorite candy right now. I'm trying to milk it. But what's your favorite candy, bro?
Mom,
Yeah.
I don't like chocolate.
candy.
It could be anything.
Favorite candy.
Yeah.
It could be anything.
I don't know. Right now, it's probably Twizzlers. I've been getting Twizzlers a lot.
That shit tastes like rubber.
I know that.
What it tastes like?
Rubber.
I fuck with them bitches.
I do not fuck with them.
I've been
That shit
fucking
Nah,
tastes like rubber.
Lately, I've been fucking.
I like the
with
ones that's like colorful because they got some taste to it.
Yeah, but it be too
Those are the
sweet.
ones you
I
took
don't like
apart,
the
ain't
taste of that bit.
You talking about
Yeah,
the
the
extremes.
I'm talking about the rope shits.
Yeah, it be too sweet though.
I like the regular strawberry flavored ones.
I like the Twizzlers. I've been fucking with them lately because of Louie. I used to eat them when I was a kid, but I stopped.
Yeah, me
Tell you,
too.
John.
But my favorite candy right now, I gotta go Mike and Ike.
Mike and I. Okay. What about you? What about you?
Gummy bears, gummy
bears.
worms,
Frozen.
frozen. Yep, I put all my candy in the freezer.
Yes.
That bit be too hard and chewy.
Whatever, you a hater.
So wrong with it. Help the Lord, there's something wrong.
Oh my, you don't put chocolate in the freezer?
We don't
I mean,
eat
I don't eat chocolate, but like, if I like have any type of candy, I put it in the freezer.
I don't know about
shit
that
hit.
one.
Nah.
You gotta try it.
I put me on the chips in the freezer shit. I ain't
Hello? You in Atlanta?
Okay. But yeah,
Pee Wee.
this might be this is the end of the vlog.
Where you at?
Know what I'm saying? Y'all made it this far. Go
said
ahead
you
and
went
hit that
where?
subscribe button. Feel me? Like, comment,
Pee Wee.
and we out.
You in Atlanta?